build is always shift. If you have your pixel brush, I do a line and I fill it. This is build. I call this build. So I would go for another shape here. So this is build for me. And when I go to paint, I use the pixel brush and I activate flow here. And this is where I make small details. And I use the flow and the pressure of the flow to make a bit more variation of values and colors into my design. So this is a very simple and very fast way to switch between two kind of modes that I need to finish this spaceship. So I want to make a very clean rendering, and yes, and I want to try to just show you how this workflow can lead you to a very high quality of art. Um, and so I will show you, maybe you can recognize when I'm in the build mode and when I'm in the, yeah, just keep an eye on this when I'm just like switching. So now I'm in the paint mode. Um, that's when I do details. So that's cool.
sensational. Circuits in the dark, making the circus in the wall. Like a silent dark, lost in the wall. Let's get sensational.